So we're just gonna have to do this today. Oh, excuse me. All right, there we go, y'all. Boom. Boom. I need another mouse for my what's the name? Oh, let's get a chat. We should record them. We good.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkies.
Are you ready?
Bad
No, I'm ready,
decisions.
bro.
Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning
Dick
the
Slater.
city in its own sin.
Okay, Dick Slater. Oh hell nah. Okay, Dick Slater.
Come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Oh, let me do this 1 second. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, there we go. Oh, here come KJ. That bit was spinning for a little minute, bitch. Oh shit! This nigga just drift the fuck out that shit. What the fuck? Okay. Okay.
Good old Carrion City.
Okay, I ain't trying to see all that again. Talk to the chief inside, but let's get it, chat.
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you.
Damn, Luna looking look good, boy.
You're late again, Slater. I was
Damn.
starting to think you fall asleep
Okay, Luna.
again.
And yet,
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Fries. Fries.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in.
Fries. Bro, this is why I don't like streaming on TikTok, gang. I'm finna like literally stop streaming on TikTok. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Just cause of the what's the name? It's annoying, bro, and it messes up my clips and stuff. It's dark as fuck in here. Where the fuck the lights at?
Slater! Sir! I mean, Dick. I mean, Detective Slater. Sir!
Elmer, these streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid, but your place is here.
Roger that.
Okay, bro, I don't hang out there. Alright, let's go, y'all. I gotta talk to everybody, bro.
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Oh shit.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the street.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me, well,
I'm finna talk to everybody, huh? Yep.
Well, look who
Damn.
got out of his trench coat.
She ugly as
miss me,
fuck,
Slater?
boy.
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an air station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to...
I'm sure you'll get.
Hopefully...
Okay, I don't feel like talking to fucking Roxy ass no fucking more, bro. Oh god, damn. Okay, cutscene. Slater old as fuck, boy. He need to retire.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Slater ass old as fuck, chat.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looked.
That's Detective Robbie Knox.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in
Full
79
Mooner Gooner is
was
crazy.
legendary.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not.
Excuse.
Knox is your new partner.
Damn.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien.
Oh my god.
You know I work alone. O'Brien?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
He's a fucking animal. With the cigarette in his mouth. Fuck you talking about?
That's better.
With the cigarette in his mouth.
Robbie, why don't you wait by...
Roger that, Chief.
What the fuck? He ate that shit up on the dead armies. He just...
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Damn. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, can I change the FOV though? Like, this bit kind of look close, man. No, I can't. Fuck. Alright, chat. Let's do this. What the fuck the door? Oh. Alright, chat. So we got a new fucking partner, I guess. Guess we got a new partner.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad,
Got it.
break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Damn.
Understood.
Damn. That shit sound like a V8, man. The fuck?
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
The
Once I have you
fuck?
fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my... I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside.
All right. Where I go? Head inside. A quick fix. Okay. Where we going? Oh, to the. All right, bet. Fuck the phone at.
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
Fuck.
Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day.
God damn, Eric. The fuck?
Are you calling me on the shitter?
This nigga taking a shit while on the phone. Yo, what the fuck?
Right, calm down. I'll grab.
Bro, this nigga's taking a shit of his life, boy. This shit up. I was over here. Am I tweaking? Nigga, is this not out back? Oh, shit. My fault.
Nice ever action. Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What?
Bro, there's no way I get scared
Fix?
this easily,
I
gang.
think you missed the joke, dude. Oh, I love jokes. Cool. Great talk. My. Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. The best meals are...
Like, why are you just sitting there, gang?
Just another night with another...
Yeah, I guess. Oh, we finna grind this stink ass. Oh shit! Yeah, that's nice. I was gonna say, nigga, that's on the green. Why he up there like that, gang? He poking that bitch. Grabbed a box of weenies. Gang, these bitches are disgusting, gang. Where I put them at? Put them in the hot dog cart. Where the fuck the hot dog cart at? Right here? Oh, right here. Okay. First customer of the day, y'all. First customer of the day. Why you walking so slow, bro? Don't piss me off, gang. Oh my god. Okay, bitch. Oh. Fuck the hot dog. Oh. Okay, how the fuck you toast the hot dog bun? Am I tweaking? No. Okay, gang, I get it, bro. Whoa, what the fuck the? Oh my god, I'm selling, right? I'm overly selling right now. Oh my gosh, I'm selling, chat. Alright. Bitch, I got a fucking... What the fuck you cooked the fucking hot dog fucking bun at? Okay. I know this. Bitch, how the fuck do I... Toasted bun. How the fuck you toast the bun though, gang? It's an untoasted hot dog bun. Alright, gang, this shit is kind of fucking pissing me off. That's how you cook? Okay. Where do you cook the hot dog bun at? That's relish. Am I am I slow or am I slow? Oh. Okay. Okay, I didn't know the fucking what's the name was over here, gang. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm a little slow, y'all. Y'all gotta calm down on me, bro. I'm a little bit slow. Just a little bit. And then mustard ketchup. Mustard ketchup. Relish. My boy! Yo! What the fuck you on? Gang, what he on, gang? Bruh, this nigga's on some nut shit, gang. I guess. Okay. He just gonna leave. Like, he didn't even pay me for the fucking hot dog. That's the crazy part about it, but okay. 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 Niggas on that nut shit, bro. Like, he ain't even pay for the hot dog, gang. Is more crazy stuff gonna happen? What you mean? I already have the biggest wieners around. Let me have one. Yeah, she's finna. Yeah. Yeah. LARPer! It's the word! Okay, gang, we get it, bro. Catch up much. What is it? Catch up much. I go your hot dog, gangster. Bro, why is y'all deep throwing the fucking hot dog for, gang? How late am I? 28 minutes. But you good, though. You good. Niggas on that nut shit, gang. Bro, here come this creepy ass nigga, gang.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry... why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Perfect.
This nigga's listening.
I'll be seeing...
Okay, big bro, I get you, bro. That nigga on some weird shit, gang. Bro, what the fuck is he on? Bro, this nigga's on some nut shit, gang. I ain't got time for his ass today, bro. But I got your hot... Bro, why the fuck are they deep throating a hot dog like this, gang? Yeah, I ain't got time for it. I don't got time for it today. I promise you I don't. Is he still back there? I watched it for 200 hours. Oh my god. 200 hours? 200 hours is crazy. 200 hours is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy though. I fuck with you though, Lopper, on the dead homies, bro. Give me a meaty, juicy... This nigga talking about give me a meaty, juicy one. Yeah, you finna piss me off. Bro, get the hot dog, bro. Gang, what you on? Gang, no, that's the fucking alarm. Yo, I don't know what the fuck these niggas got going on today, bro. These niggas weird. Oh, let me cook this hot dog. So what the fuck she on, gang? Oh, she got her a drink. Oh, I don't have coins. Oh. What's good, mama?
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, Blair.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Fine shit kind of talking a little too sweet to me, gang. I'm gonna have to fuck on these on these fucking wieners, gang.
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little...
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Gang, what the fuck is he on? What the fuck the wiener I just cooked that? Bro, why is he on that nut shit, gang? I don't got time for his ass, bro. I ain't got time for him, bro. Shit. Bro, like, god damn.
It seems you're all out of staples.
I hate this.
think you better leave before I make
I
you.
hate this, bro.
Oh,
I
that
hate
might
this
be
game.
fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here. What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways.
Oh my
I'm
god,
on my
gang.
way, my
Clip that.
tattooed
Oh my god.
friend.
Twitch, clip that.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
How can I clip that? The best way I can say you can clip it is come over to the Pepper app and clip it. But it's probably over it now. You probably can't even clip it no more. Kai with the follow. Thank you for the follow, Kai. Nigga, awesome. Now they want me to check the fucking restroom, don't they? Oh.
Great.
Now I gotta look at the fucking bathroom now. Like, what the fuck he did to the bathroom, gang?
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed.
Oh, yeah.
Better grab the plunger.
Yeah, I can go back and clip it. It's cool. So who the fuck is that? Damn! 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 That bitch clogged, gang. That bitch overly. Alright, let's go. We back. Where the fuck sleep?
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Go to the office. Oh. Go to the bathroom this way.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Oh, shout out, what is taking away?
Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you, after that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
This nigga's wild, game.
Wow, Lucas.
Catch you later, Blair.
This nigga's wild. Come on, he only polishing his balls. It's crazy. Investigate busted gutter. Oh, busted ball feeder. Is it this one? Which one is it? Am I tweeting? I know I'm a little slow. Yeah, it's gonna take me a little minute. Hold on. Oh, it's this one. The one that says fucking out of order. The one that says out of order, gang. Damn. You whacking the fuck out that shit. Damn!
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Damn!
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Oh my god.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
This nigga's on
Thanks.
bullshit, chat.
Let me ask you a question.
He's on bullshit, y'all.
Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume?
You mean like my...
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Bro, stop looking at me, gang. You on some nut shit, gang.
Total
God bless. Damn. Alright, to clean this ugly ass, bro. Let's get a shot. Cleaning these nasty ass balls. Wow, okay. Gang, where that nigga went? Oh! Bro, why the fuck are you right here? What's up? What you want, bro? Like, damn. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I get scared so easily. I don't know why, bro. You want some nut shit, gang? You want some nut shit?
All right, time to clean the stinky shoes.
What do you want, gang? Grab the can of Dior.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
What? Gang, why the nigga just looking at me, gang? Twin, what's up, bro? He on some nut shit, gang. I ain't got time for his ass, bro. He on some nut shit. Like, why you on nut shit, bro? This nigga's still sitting right there. Bro, come on, bro.
That should do it.
Dang, he not there no more, bro.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now.
Dang, I ain't got time for this shit, gang.
I'll eat this back at the register.
I bet you would. Bro, why you so... Bruh, like, damn. Yep. Done with that shit. Yep, I'm done. I'm done with dude. I'm done with y'all. I'm done with y'all, gang. I'm done with TikTok, gang. TikTok fucking up my game. They're fucking up my videos, gang. No, I can't do it no more. No more. No more. I'm sorry. We stand on Prep App now, y'all. TikTok is cooked. TikTok is cooked now. We're not going back. We never go back to the Prep App. I mean, we never go back to TikTok.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly. We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second. What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp? Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up. What a silly dream. I can't even. You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
Oh shit, gang.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I shrill it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
Gang, she ain't got no skin. Gang, he stapled her whole body. Nah, Twain, he wildin'. Wow. Is that it? Oh, I only got the demo, y'all. I ain't got the full game. Y'all thought I got the full game? Hell nah.